Okay, so this is part 4 of the Beach Bear Animatronic Restoration. In this video, I will be showing you the process of fixing his mask and a couple other things I've been working on. This is the glue I used to fix his mask. I totally recommend it. And this is what he looks like now. As you can see, his mask has been repaired. It looks very nice. And you can see I got his fur on, it looks very nice. And I also got all the latex off his hand, and I got a carpet down there for now, just to lift it. And as you can see, I sandblast and repaint his base. It looks really good. And I have wiped down his entire mechanism, so it is very clean. This is what the back of the mask looks like. As you can see, everything is nice and clean, how it should be. Here's another look at his main mechanism. Everything is nice and clean. I also got a Jasper hand for if I ever want to swap him out with Jasper. I still need to get it toned, but I'll do that later on. The streets have all emptied and lovers lay sleeping and dreaming. And there's his valve bank and the service manual. So that's it for today's video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.